YouTube, what's goody? It's your boy Southside Nate, and I'm back with another episode of the Box Chevy Build. On this episode, switching the intro up a little bit. I'm coming at y'all on Christmas morning, cause I want to tell y'all Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year, cause I ain't gonna make another video until it's gonna be a new year. So y'all have a Happy New Year. Y'all be safe. Y'all kick it with the fam. Enjoy this video. What I'm gonna be doing in this video, I'm gonna be breaking the engine back down. I had to put a new timing chain on it. I had to put a little piece on the oil pickup tube, and I had to put my rockers in, cause I ain't get the rocker stands. I got them a while back, but when I did the initial engine build, I ain't had the rocker stands. So yeah, man, I just wanted to tell y'all thanks, cause your boy just hit 9,000 subscribers. I tried to hit 10 before the year was out. So this is what y'all do. I know y'all chilling with the fam. Grab everybody's phone and go subscribe to Southside Nate channel. Y'all enjoy this video. Catch y'all in the new year. I'm out. Peace. Got everything that I need to do done. Got my oil pump and everything back on. I had to trim that piece because it was hitting them little, let me see that? I trimmed it on both sides so I won't be hitting it. Got that done. Got my windage tray and everything back on. Got everything torqued down. What I'm doing now is I'm going through cleaning up some of that surface rust, cleaning up that rust off these surfaces. I got a piece of 320 grit sandpaper, and I'm basically like using it for like wet sand. I got some of that rust stuff, and I use it like wet sanding. I'm gonna do the rest of the surfaces before I put the gaskets and everything back on. But I'm about to go ahead and start piecing this baby back together. got finished going through cleaning up all the surface. It had started building some surface rust. But what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call it quits right here. I ain't getting nowhere near as much done today as I planned. I swear I didn't. But I'm gonna call it quits right here because I got me another can of paint. It's just black, glossy black. I'm gonna go back over this engine. I'm gonna paint it again. Get in them crevices. Get all that stuff cleared out in there. And I'm gonna paint it again. So I probably have to do a lot of masking. Probably take the starter off, mask up the engine. What I don't want paint on. And I'm gonna paint it again. Cause she done started to get some surface rust in some spots. And I want all them spots that was getting surface rust to be painted. Like them parts right there. All that was rusty. Yeah, boy, I ain't get too much of nothing done today. I put that new timer set on, got everything dialed in, got the oil pump put back on, got the oil pan put back on. I just gotta put the front cover on, put the heads and everything on. There's gonna be some more time lapses coming after this, but I'm gonna call it quits right here. It don't got dark on me. And it's gonna rain all day tomorrow. I'm gonna make sure I store her in there. And I'm gonna take them heads on and I'm gonna do what I gotta do to them at the crib. And when I come back, just put everything back on the engine, put it in the car. Let's get it. YouTube, so this is what I'm doing. This is the last one. So these cylinder heads, these are the stock retainers. I gotta take these off and put these on. These the ones that came with the engine rebuild kit with the springs. So I'm putting these on. That's what I'm doing. I just want to let y'all know. I know y'all probably wondering what the hell going on, because I've been running straight time lapses. But that's the last one. When you finish knocking that out, then I'm gonna pour the engine out, go ahead and paint her up. Then we're gonna get these cylinder heads back installed, torque down, get the rockers and everything put on. Let's get it. Alright. Got them heads squared away. Now what I'm about to do is paint up this engine block. A couple spots up here that was forming rust. Get them painted up. Some of that engine enamel. So let's get it, man. Once I finish painting this up, while this paint drying, I'm gonna clean up under that hood. Have that baby ready. Have it nice and clean under there, ready for this engine to go back in. That's how she's supposed to look under there, YouTube. That's how she's supposed to look. Look at that. Nice and pretty. Not dusty. Yes, sir. It's go time. I'm still waiting on that paint to dry on that engine, cause this ain't take long. I just hit it with some degreaser and a water hose. She clean again. Let's get it. YouTube, got them heads back on, torqued down, got everything back on. Got a fresh coat of paint on this baby. It's go time. Still got a little daylight. So what I'm about to go ahead and do now is go ahead and get these rockers installed. Get the rockers installed, push rods, go from there. When I put this baby in the car, it ain't coming back out. She gonna be all the way buttoned up. Let's get it. All right, it's the next day. I went on ahead and did my research, figure out how to torque these down. So you can't just put them in there and torque them down in a row. So I got that done, just got finished torquing all them down. Everything worked nice and smooth. I'm gonna have to get a new cover or do some clearancing on this cover, which is probably what I do. Cause I got that double roller timing chain. It's hitting up against the cover, so I had to loosen it a little bit so I'll be able to rotate the engine. I'm either gonna do some modifications to this one or see if I can find another one that already got the clearance. But yeah, got everything buttoned up. Now what I'm about to do, I'm gonna go ahead and throw them valve covers back on. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this baby back in the car because I can fix that and take that off and replace that while it's in the car. Now she all sealed up. I'm gonna put it back in the car and get to putting stuff back on it. See what I can do about that. Well, yeah, man, it's go time. Let's get it. All right, YouTube. You see that little piece right there? Which shouldn't even fucking be there. It is absolutely no reason for that shit to be there. I took this home last night and hit that part right there with a aluminum burr. Got it nice and flat. Now I should have enough clearance. Alright, YouTube, I got that baby back in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That damn 17 mil stuck on that motor mount bolt. I was fighting with that for a little while, but I just gave up. I'll wait till I jack the car back up, then I'll fight to get that off. Yes, sir. Alright, so this go around, she ready to go. Everything is tight. I ain't just mocked nothing up. Everything is put up here to be up here. Yeah, it's go time. I still got some things I gotta get. I gotta get some hardware to mount this throttle body. Enough clearance for that. That's perfect. Get some hardware for that. Yeah. Feel like the steam port hitting it down there. It won't be nothing to make some clearance for that. But yeah, man, it's go time. I just wanted to get the engine back in there because she finalized. I ain't got to take it back out for nothing. All I got to do now is finish buttoning it up. Got to get my AC compressor. I got the pulley for the power steering. I gotta get the power steering lines. There's just a few little things I gotta do. I gotta get my flex plate. And we hopping on the wire harness next. It's go time, man. It is go time. Not here to play no game. It's Christmas Eve. I gotta work later, so I'm gonna call it a wrap right here. I might get Unc out here to help me put this hood back on. But other than that, I'm done. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Y'all already know, man. It's go time. It is go time, dog. Yes, sir. I gotta get some hardware for my intake too. To screw the intake down. But man, it is looking awesome. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know a lot of people probably was wondering why I took the engine back out the car anyway. Took the engine out the car so I could double check, triple check over everything. Plus I had a few pieces that I wanted to replace on it. And since I had it open for doing that, I went on ahead and checked the torque specs on everything. The rods, the main bolts, put a new timing chain on, put that little piece on the oil pickup tube. And I just wanted to get everything at once over. Everything got to once, so I triple checked every bolt that I put up there, everything. Now she ready to run. You feel me? This is my first ever engine build. So the main reason why I took it back out was because I wanted to double, triple check everything. I wanted to go as smooth as possible. First build, I want this baby to go smooth, know what I mean? That's my main reason for taking it back out. Going over everything once again. Just make sure everything ready for that first startup. I'm gonna have to prime the engine before I start it up though. I'm gonna have to prime this baby before I do that first start. But yeah, man, like, share, comment, subscribe. Next video, I should have all the stuff I need to button that up, tighten everything down, and then we're gonna jump straight on that wire harness. I'm gonna take this one out and get what I need off of it, just so it can be super clean up under here, because I do not need nowhere near, I probably don't even need half that stuff. I need AC, headlights. That's just about it. The rest of it gonna be from the Holly Terminator. But yeah, man, like, share, comment, subscribe. It's go time, huh? Let me get my thumbnail, get on to help me put this hood back on, and I'm out. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.